Happy Friday, friends. I hope that you are doing well. It is DB here with Income Babes. Welcome back, guys. We are doing a Fund Friday today, and we are focusing yet again on our Build a Bank Savings Challenge. A huge thank you to everyone that went ahead and purchased a lot of the new tails as well as the new add-on savings challenges. I hope you are using them and saving a lot of money. And if you're not, well, that's why we're doing this video, to make sure that you are not collecting, but you are saving money. And we do have some beginners with the Build a Bank Savings Challenge, and they've requested some videos kind of going through all of the pages once more again. So that's why I'm doing another video. So we're introducing a new series called Fund Friday, okay? So here is my Build a Bank A5 Savings Challenge. And we have already saved 45 euros with my savings challenge thus far. What I like to do is I like to leave it up to the dice gods to tell me how much money they want me to save. So I use these mini cards that I have created that will be included with this set. You can purchase these separately up on my Etsy store. And so I just let the dice gods tell me how much they want me to save with this particular savings challenge, but you can play this however you like. Now, we have already done the top icons for all of the cards, so now we're going to be moving on to the middle icons for all of the cards, okay? Now, let's kind of get ourselves ready, and I have some prop money here. I just have a random set here, so I will be using prop money, taking it out and putting it onto the side, and then we'll count up all of the cash that we managed to save today and replace it with real cash. Okay, so I just have a little small kind of floating till here with some small amounts just to see how we get on. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, our first card is going to be, oh boy, angry customer. I just opened up on a Friday, and the first thing we're going to do is serve an angry customer. I understand. He probably this payday, he's just trying to get home, trying to get this money, go out with the boys, all that kind of good stuff. Okay, guys, so for this one here, I'm just going to be rolling a die, but you are free to assign an amount for each one of your customers. I'll be using a 6-sided die. Let's go ahead and roll our die. All right, we got ourselves a 2. So that's going to be $2 that we're going to be depositing into our bank. Let me just move my little ID to the side there. All right, so that is my $2. Let's move on over to the next card. Oh, yay. We're going to be going to our coffee station, which is a new one. All right. I love the coffee. I love the coffee. I have college tomorrow and I have college on Sunday, guys. It's intense. I have 2 days back to back I have to study, so definitely wanted to get squeeze one more video in, and then we're gonna be doing our sinking funds on Sunday. All right, so we're gonna roll a die or assign an amount for each icon. So I think for me, I'm just gonna roll a die just like I did with all of the others. Let's use our 6-sided die and just use our dice tower. This dice tower was created by Alicia over at Saving with Alicia. It also comes with a matching cash tray, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, some expensive coffee, eh? All right, so this is the $6 in prop money that we're going to be adding to our till. And we're just going to go ahead and take off the first icon. Now, do I want to write an amount? No, I think I'll just leave it as a mystery. Okay, that is our second card. Let's move on over to the third card. Yay, annual leave. That's one of the new saving challenges as well, guys. I love it. I love it. So this week we're going to be taking a little vacation. We'll be caring where we going. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and work on the first icon here, which is this lovely little sleeping pillow, which came in handy for me when I was on that 14-hour journey to the Bahamas a couple of weeks ago. All right, that one is going to be $2. So we're just going to put a line right through there. 1 and 2. There we go. Quick question. What was the longest flight you've ever taken in your entire life? And what was the destination? I would be curious to know. Now, what I rolling this die for? Ain't paying attention. Too nosy asking these people all their business. Okay, so we're going to the doctor. See now, see there. You just finished catching the flight. Now you gotta go straight to the doctor. All right, guys. So the first thing we have here is going to be this first aid kit. So let's go ahead and roll a die, and let's see how much that's going to cost us. All right, that's going to cost us $6. Expensive hospital bill. Expensive coffee. What is going on? All right, that's going to be another $6 that we're adding to our cash. Next card is going to be, oh yay, we're going to the vault, guys. We are going to the vault. All right, so that's tilt number 10. All right, here's the vote, guys. So you can roll a die or you can assign an amount for each icon. So let's see. Let's ask the dice gods, what should the amount of each icon be? And it is going to be $4. So every time we come to the vault, it is going to be $4, guys. Let's get $4. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wonderful. All right, next card is going to be, all right, I think that is till child number 3. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. Oops, ain't till number 3. Let me see. It ain't till number 4. Okay, it's till number 5. All right, we're going to be going to till number 5, and every single one of these icons is going to cost me $5. So I'll be using the amount, the suggested amount that's on this till. So whenever you get an icon that sends you to one of the tills, you can choose to roll a die. You can choose to save the suggested amount, and then down to the bottom here, you'll see that I have an amount here for each icon. So you could also assign an amount for each icon. If you want to keep this low income friendly, you can assign each icon to be $1. And you'll see that on all of the tills. Okay, at the bottom, just pay attention to the bottom part there. You'll see each icon, each icon, each icon, and just assign an amount. If you feel like the amounts that I have suggested are just a little bit too high, for example, till number 7, till number 8, I'm suggesting 8, till number 9, I'm suggesting 9, till number 10, I'm suggesting 10. If that's too much for you, definitely just assign an amount to each icon. Okay, so that is now done. Let's go ahead and grab our $5, and that is our $5 there for this till. Next is going to be Ice Cream Station, one of the new savings challenges that we just added to this savings challenge book. And let's see where we put that one. Okay, it's all the way to the back here. Again, I'm just going to roll a die because that's the easiest thing for me. And there we go. Our first ice cream is going to cost us $2. So let's go ahead and we're going to grab $2, guys. See, look at all the customers that we served today and look at how the cash is adding up very nicely. All right, guys, let's move on over to our 8th card. And it is going to be bathroom break, which I think is the last one to the back here. Here we go. And this is the first icon. So let's go ahead and see how much it costs for this little bubbles right here. This little bubbly. Only $1. Absolutely amazing. So that is now done. So that is $1. And last but not least, this is our final mini card. Look at how fast the game went, guys. We are going camping. Yes, I love it. All right, so let's go to camping. I don't want to stop. I just want to keep going and going and going and going and going and nonstop. So the first icon here is going to be this lovely little camera. So let's roll our die and let's see how much the camera is going to cost us. All right, that's going to be $2 for this one. All right, I was getting a call on my phone just now, so I'm not quite sure where it stopped, but I didn't do anything. I think we stopped here, and I was saying that this is going to be $2. That's, you know, because that's what the die roll. So here is the $2 for that one. I think I didn't put the $2 there. Okay, so that is the last card, guys. I honestly do not want to stop, but that is all that you need to do for Build a Bank branch number 2. You're simply playing the cards. You can play the cards as often as you like and just have fun with it, guys. All right, so now the moment of truth. Let's see how much the bank customers asked us to save today, and then we're going to swap this over for some real cash. So first things first, let's go ahead and organize the cash according to the denominations. And we only got 5s and 1s today, so nothing too hefty. All right, according to the dice cards. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh my goodness, that is amazing, guys. All right, so this is the real 30 euros that I'm going to be putting into the savings challenge, and we can put this prop money away because we no longer need it. Let's go ahead and update our book here. So we're adding another 30 euros. And today is the 4th of July. So happy 4th of July to all of our American friends. And so 30 plus 45 is going to give us a grand total of 75 euros that we have saved so far with our Build a Bank. And I like to keep the cash in a separate envelope. So this is my annual savings challenge. I have dailies, weeklies, seasonal, and I also have annual. This is going to take me all year to complete. So this is where I keep the cash right into my annual cash envelope, just like so. And that is basically it, guys. A quick and easy cash stuffing. All right, I am going to be going live later tonight around 10 p.m. my time, Dublin time. And that is where we're going to be doing our Spicy Bunny VIP jackpot giveaway. And we also pick 2 more winners to win a PayPal gift. And then I also have a live prize giveaway. So if you are interested, definitely come back in the next couple of hours when I do go live, guys. All right, thanks so much for spending time with me today with playing our Build a Bank Savings Challenge. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.